Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the poem Beyond the Universe. Children, everybody has seen the sky? Yes. What is in the sky? We see stars, moon, sun, clouds. But we have seen it from a long distance. Can you see those nearer? Is it possible? Yes, it is very difficult. But there is a way to see it closer. What is that way? Yes, we see it in dreams. In this poem, the poet also wants to see all the beautiful things in space in his dream. Shall we see what the poet has seen in his dream? Yes. Listen carefully, children. Let me read the whole poem first. Okay. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles, hurtling through a belt of asteroids. I crossed Uranus without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. In this poem, the poet dreams. In his dream, he wants to see the creator of the beautiful world. Let us see how he meets the creator. Okay. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. Here, the poet is dreaming about flying beyond the earth. Beyond means what? Yes, it means appal, beyond the earth. Bhumikku appal. Amidst the planets and the countless stars. He is flying amidst the planets and the countless stars. Amidst means surrounded by. Okay. I would stop by red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Children, which planet is next to the earth? Yes, Mars planet is next to the earth. So the poet stops here and thinks about having a house on Mars. Okay. Have you understand the four lines? Okay. Now let's move to the second stanza. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Here, the poet flies to the Saturn to see its ring and moons. Saturn planet has ring and moon. So the poet wants to see it. Okay. Next, then I stopped by Jupiter by marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Now the poet goes to the Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in the solar system with red storm. It looks like marbles. How red storm looks? Yes, it looks like marbles. Children, do you remember? Already we studied dust storm on Mars in prose. Similarly, the Jupiter has red stone. Okay, it looks beautiful like marbles. So the poet stops here. Now go to third stanza. Huddling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. Now he crossed Uranus through a belt of asteroids without any difficulty. Here, the word huddle means tadai. That means small planetஸோட தடை எதுவுமே இல்லை, தடையெல்லாம் தாண்டி அவர் வந்து போகிறாரு, பறக்கிறாரு அப்படின்னு மீனிங் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஆஸ்ட்ராய்டு மீன்ஸ் ஸ்மால் பிளானட்ஸ் that floats around the sun. ஓகே, இந்த சன்னை சுற்றி இருக்கிற இந்த ஸ்மால் பிளானட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கிற தடையெல்லாம் தாண்டி அவர் பறந்து போகிறாரு. ஹீ இஸ் அ ஃப்ளையிங். ஓகே, to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Now he crossed Neptune. It's a huge blue color and it's a freezing cold. Okay, that's why the poet described as a blue ice giant. Here, the word giant means extremely large. Okay, later he flies again and again beyond the galaxy. Now we go to the last stanza. Okay, to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Here, the poet wants to fly high to meet the creator of the beautiful galaxy. What is meant by magnificent? Yes, it means extremely beautiful. And he wants to creator to take him further than the Milky Way and travel through all the galaxies. What is galaxy? It is a group of stars and dust in space. Children, have you understood the poem? Okay, now let's have a brief on this poem. Okay, the poet wants to see the creator, those of the space. So he is flying beyond the earth amidst the planets and the countless stars. First, he stopped on Mars. Then, he thinks about having a house in Mars. What he thinks? Yes, he thinks about having a house on Mars. After that, he goes to the Saturn and the beautiful Jupiter. Which planet has rings? Yes, Saturn has rings and around it. Which planet has a red storm? Yes, Jupiter has red storm. Later, flies again and again, wants the creator to take him beyond the Milky Way and travel through many galaxies. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the poem. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.